girl. All shades, different flavors. She a diamond and a pearl. She a goddess with a mentor, yeah.
Hey ladies, look at my hair. Girl, this look is hideous, but this is one of my old wigs. But we about to get it together, honey, okay? I'm about to cut it, put some layers in it. Just wait, put some color on it. And I'm gonna be back. Just look closely, okay? Cause, ooh, this thing need a miracle. But we gonna get it together, watch. I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm taking out my hair. Look how dirty it is. Y'all see that? Ugh. What in the world? A lip check. The fuck? Yeah, what's that girl on Rugrats with the hair? With the hair sticking out like that? Like, what in the world? It's so dirty. Like, look at that. All right, right here, I'm just having my little hair dance, all right? But I'm gonna get ready to braid it down and put my cap on. So this took forever. Y'all, like, oh, I hate braiding my own hair. You need somebody else to braid it because it just takes so long when you braid your own hair. One more. Like, woo. Do y'all ain't braiding your own hair? Like, bro, too much. All right, right here, I'm about to go ahead and put my cap on, spray it down with the Ebon Lace Wonder Bond. It's in a black can. They have a red one too, but I use the black can. Then I'm gonna blow dry it, cut it off, and then get ready to put my glue on. Now I'm tinting my lace using my own shade of concealer for our foundation and just applying it all over to my cap. You'll use your color on yourself. And then I'm going to go ahead and get ready to put my glue on after that. So I'm doing 3 layers of this glue. You wait till it dries, so when it turns clear, then you can add your next layer. Don't add your next layer until it's clear, okay? Now I'm getting ready to put the wig on. The key is to put the lace flat on top of the glue and then smooth it out. Now I'm getting ready to put my band on. Tie it tight, all right? It's going to have to hurt that ear. Y'all know it be tearing y'all ear up, but it's going to have to for a little bit, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and get my hot comb the hair back, and part my hair as well. To curl my hair, curl the whole head. I'm curling it back because, you know, you want that swoop type of look. And I'm trying to do like the little Shirley Temple type curl, so like the big one. So I kind of roll it flat around the wand because I don't have the barrel curler. I gotta go buy some, but yeah, it's gonna give the same look. About to get them edges together. I gotta take off my wig band and go ahead and take the edges out. And this wig, they're already cut because, like I said, this is an older wig that I just revamped. So my edges are already cut. So I'm just gonna take them out, put some little makeup on my lace, and then go ahead and swoop my edges. After I finish my edges, I'm gonna go ahead and put my band back on and then try to puff a little bit of my curls out. Then boom, that's my finished product. Like, comment, subscribe, click that notification bell so you can see when I post another video. And see y'all later.
Girl, all shades, different flavors. She a diamond and a pearl.